In today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you how you can make $100 per day online using Pinterest and affiliate marketing, and you don't need your own products. This is going to be a nice, quick video, and I actually used this method myself when I first started my YouTube channel that now has 70,000 subscribers. Now, you need to understand something about Pinterest, so let's just move on to my screen here. You need to understand something about the internet to make money. You need two things. You need traffic, which in this case is going to be Pinterest. Pinterest is going to be our traffic source. And what we do is we get this traffic that we create from Pinterest and we send that to what we call offers, which could be maybe a blog post, a YouTube channel, or wherever you want to send that traffic, or it could be an affiliate offer, and we can go out there and make commissions from these affiliate offers. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be showing you in this video today, how to do that. Really simple, it's nice and easy. And the good thing about this method is once it's a bit slow at the start, but once it gets the ball rolling, it's a snowball effect, and it just keeps accumulating traffic over time, and you can really build out this big Pinterest profile and start to make big commissions. And you can easily hit $100 a day with this in due time once you start to get the ball rolling. And I'm going to show you an example of what we've been using this for recently to build up a YouTube channel. So guys, first of all, I used this method to actually grow my own Pinterest to 6,000 followers. And right now it's getting 1K monthly unique visitors, which is really, really low. When I was doing this, I was getting thousands and thousands. I haven't posted on this Pinterest for a while, 13 weeks ago, but I haven't tried to grow this for a super long time. But I use this exact same method to grow my channel to a massive amount of subscribers, and I actually make money from all of these particular videos. Got an affiliate offer here, I make money from this, and I'll show you how we do this. And then second, my partner is actually using this method right now to grow her own YouTube channel, which she started 3 weeks ago, and she already has 100 subscribers. And she's getting 5,000 monthly unique viewers on her Pinterest, and then she links to her YouTube. And as you can see, she has her videos and stuff, but you don't have to have your own content, guys, and you don't have to have your own product. I'm just showing you an example of how we're using Pinterest traffic to send traffic to different areas of the internet to build either social profiles or make money. Okay, so that's her channel there that we're growing to 100 subscribers in 3 weeks, and we're actually getting a lot of these views, guys, from Pinterest. You can check that inside the YouTube analytics. Now, to see how powerful this is, guys, this is also another profile using the same method, and they get 2.8 million unique visits a month, and this lady makes a lot of money, over $40,000 per month in affiliate commissions from her website. Okay, so guys, you need one thing first. You need an offer. Now with Pinterest, let me get my keyboard here. With Pinterest, you know, one of the main topics is cooking. It's huge, and don't worry, we can use some of these cooking things. We're going to use some of these cooking pins in our strategy. So cooking's massive. So guys, you can go to a website called ClickBank, and there's actually a cooking niche, and there's, you know, fitness and stuff you can use, and there's all of these products you can go out and promote, okay, and you can get a commission. So what I've done is I've actually found a product here. So this is clickbank.com. A lot of you guys probably already know about this platform, and this is a product here that I'm going to use for an example. Okay, I actually promote this on from a website, Metabolic Cooking. So we're going to use this for an example. Okay, just a quick example inside this training, and I actually have the link right here. Now, how do you get the traffic, guys? This is the secret. We're going to be talking about this in a second. And I just want to kind of share this product as well. So this is another product that you could probably promote. This is from ClickBank as well. ClickBank has a lot of products in different niches, but I highly recommend on Pinterest you stick to fitness or cooking, and you go and start a Pinterest account based around cooking and stuff like that. So guys, this is how you get the traffic. This is a secret, and it creates a snowball effect. No joke, my partner, we don't have her account up now, but here we are, we're actually in her account. My partner, this is all automatic. She doesn't do anything. She spends 1 day per week setting this up, and it does all the work for her, okay? So let's jump in and I'll show you how to get the traffic, and I'll show you how to get the sales with your link. So guys, what we use is a program called Tailwind, and there is a small monthly cost for this, but trust me, it's totally worth it. I'm going to start using this again for my Pinterest to build up more traffic to my blog, my YouTube channel, and other social media platforms. So this is called Tailwind. You want to get yourself an account here, which is really easy to do. They might have a free trial, so they've got a free trial you can try if you'd like. Now, this is inside Tailwind, guys, and this week alone, we've already got 61 followers. We've got lots of repins. And that's what we want. We want repins. So what we do, guys, I'm going to show you what we do here. We schedule a bunch of stuff. Let me just find the schedule here. We should have schedule here. So schedule pins. What we do is we go and schedule pins from other people, and then we add our own, which I'll show you how to create a couple of your own. And as you can see, my partner has a lot of random pins in here. Then she also links a couple of times to her YouTube videos every single day, so 2 or 3 times. And that's how she gets the traffic to her YouTube. But she doesn't want to spam the YouTube videos all the time. She wants to mix it up with other content, which gets traffic and followers to her account. But you can also get traffic directly. So when she posts these, when the bot posts this stuff, she gets traffic directly to this as well, because you can put a link in the image, which then those people go to her YouTube channel, and she gets a lot of traffic from this thing that we're doing. So what we'll do is I'll show you how to actually pin this up and get this working. But what you need is, you can't really just take other people's images and then spam your ClickBank link in it. You need to actually have a couple of your own images just to mix in with this method. So you can use a website called canva.com. Go to the template section, find templates and put in Pinterest, and there's lots of templates you can create, which is really simple. So for this one, we might do 10 metabolic cooking tips or something like that, and then we'll direct people to this particular page. And you only need to do one image, because you can put it in the bot as many times as you like, okay? So you just go here, guys, and you will create a template. It's very easy. I've actually just downloaded one for this specific example. I downloaded this one, and you can just edit this and play around with it and stuff like that, right? This is free to use. This is free for you to do. So that's where you get your images from. Now, when you get Tailwind, you want to install their extension up on the right here, Tailwind Publisher. And you want to go back to Pinterest, guys, and you want to go to cooking, and you just want to stack up a whole bunch of people's stuff. This is going to create traffic for you, and I'll show you what I mean. So let me just get this working here. Make sure this is working. Okay, guys, so I got that working. You want to click the little Tailwind logo here, and you want to, when it pops up, you want to go to Save for Later. So click Save for Later. And you want to do quite a lot of these. They recommend between 10 to 20, well, 10 to 50 a day, but I would recommend doing 10 to 30 per day. And then I'm going to do another one here. This is how easy it is, guys. I'm going to do another one. I'm going to save for later. And I'm going to do one more for you, and I'll show you how to schedule them and add in your own one as well to get your commissions. And then I'm going to click this one as well. And I'm going to also add this and go save. Well, actually, I'll go to schedule now, okay? So now I'm going to go to schedule now, and sorry. I'm going to go to save for later, and I'm going to go back to Tailwind, and I'm going to go to, I think we need to go to drafts. Let me just do a refresh here. Yeah, so go to drafts up here, and this is where your pins will be that we just created, okay? My girlfriend does all this. I haven't done it for a while, so it's a little bit hard for me to kind of figure out. Okay, so you want to just pretty much leave these ones, and you just want to select a board to go in. So you want to make sure you have a Pinterest, board created for this stuff, which is quite easy to do. You should know how to do that. And then just pick a board, okay? So I'm just going to put it in. She's not going to like this, but oh well. We'll put food, food I love, and then I'm going to get rid of that one. Okay, confirm. Now I'm going to schedule all of these drafts, guys, okay? This is just for traffic to our profile and to get the scheduling out. This is how you get the commissions, okay? I'll show you how you get the commissions. So as you can see down here, we have just scheduled the food stuff, but what we want to do is just go to add new pin and upload image, and I'm going to upload the image that I downloaded from Canva. Now this is where you put in your link, but I did remember, I just forgot that you can't actually use a bit.ly link. You have to use your full affiliate link without it being shortened. So the only problem is if you decided to just go and spam Pinterest with a ClickBank link, you might get in trouble, or you might get your pins taken down. If you just do like maybe one or two images a day, or maybe just 3 or 4 a week, then you probably could just go and use the ClickBank affiliate link. I'm just going to use this link for an example, just pretend that this is an affiliate link or whatever link you have. But what I would recommend, guys, if you are going to take this seriously, is you can start a free WordPress website. At wordpress.com, you click Get Started. It's completely free. If you find that you don't land on the free page, just go to Google and put in create WordPress for free, and you can create a free WordPress site, and you can write an article about the particular product. Then you can use WordPress as a bridge page, and then you wouldn't get in trouble with Pinterest because it will be your website. And then inside that, you would then have a link to this particular product. You would do a review about this, okay? So that's a way around it, but you should be fine as long as you don't just go and put like 100 images out in 1 week with your ClickBank link in it. You should be okay. If you want to know how to build out one of these sites like that, just go and put ClickBank in YouTube, and I will show up at the top. One of my videos is going viral right now, and I show you how to make one of those from scratch, okay? So let's go back to here, and I've uploaded my image. All you've got to do, guys, is take your affiliate link and put it down in. So first of all, you pick your board name. So I love food, and then you add it. It's actually a good idea to add a description, guys, because these images can be SEO optimized. They can be optimized to rank in search engines, and they do a lot of the times. So it would be a good idea to put some keywords in and optimize your description for search engine purposes. But all you got to do, guys, is put your link in here, and then go add to queue. Now do that so we had. Oh, your pin needs a description. Add to queue. Do this a few times a day. Just add in at least, we do it about 3 times a day. Maybe just start off 1 or 2 times a day. You're going to just do the same image over and over again. As long as you created it, you can't go and spam your links in someone else's image. That's very, very rude. So you would just do it yourself. And you probably can see right here, there is the image. Now all I got to do is go shuffle queue. And yes, shuffle queue, and it will shuffle it and mix everything up. So now what's going to happen, guys, is this particular program is going to post all of this stuff automatically for me. It's going to post all the other stuff that I'm repinning. So that creates engagement to my stuff, that gets me followers. But most importantly, it is eventually going to start posting my affiliate link on Pinterest as well, and people are going to see that and click through. And what I would recommend doing, guys, is having a link to your website or your affiliate link here, and you will also get clicks because you're getting all of these views, guys, okay? So that's how you can go out there and start to use Pinterest. You need to remember that Pinterest is the traffic. You can then use that for anything. Building out a blog, building out a YouTube channel, just sending traffic to anything. That's the thing. Like I know this is make $100 a day on Pinterest, which you can, but you need to think of it more as a traffic source, and it's a great traffic source. There's lots of niches in here. It's a great traffic source for anything you want to send stuff to, whether it be your own products, affiliate marketing. And like I said, I built up a YouTube channel via this method for the first few months of doing YouTube. Now, guys, for my loyal subscribers and anyone that's new to my channel, every single week we give away access to my courses for anyone that commented on my last video. So we are going to take this video right now, and we're going to choose 2 winners because we got over 300 likes, like I said in the last video. And to enter the next one, guys, make sure you subscribe to me. You subscribe to me, turn off notifications. If we get 300 likes on this, I will draw 2 winners in the next video. So make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment below, just any comment, because I need to put it into a comment generator so you can be chosen as the winner. Okay, so we're getting the comments, 111 unique comments. I'm going to click start. We're going to pick 2 winners in this competition. I will leave your name. So PR Baijo, you are the winner number 1. Your name will be pinned in the top comment, and you can contact me either in there or via one of my emails. And then winner number 2 is Rose. Rose, you have also won entrance to one of my courses, either my ecom course, ecom dropshipping course, or my affiliate marketing course as well. And guys, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, I will leave a link to my private group in the description. Make sure to subscribe, like, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video, and hopefully you will win access to one of my courses.